is it just generates heat through the natural decay of the uranium.
As technology advances, there is an increasing need to produce energy.
Although there are many current forms of energy production, the use of many of these methods have been the cause of environmental problems.
Namely, there is increasing evidence that carbon emissions as a result of these energy production methods cause damage to our environment.
There are clean alternatives to producing energy. However, each has its downsides.
Let me introduce nuclear energy.
There are two types of nuclear energy, fission and fusion.
Fission is what is most commonly known as nuclear power and is usually performed by shooting a neutron at a very large atom, such as uranium, splitting the atom apart and releasing large amounts of energy.
This type of energy production doesn't release carbon into the atmosphere, although it does produce radioactive waste.
This is the type of energy that has caused massive disasters in the past, disasters that are impossible to occur nowadays.
There hasn't been a disaster in the last decade, and there hasn't been a death in two.
Modern safety procedures make nuclear disasters impossible.
While many of us are familiar with nuclear fission, fewer are with nuclear fusion.
Nuclear fusion is an experimental energy production technology that, rather than breaking a large atom apart, involves smashing two small atoms together to combine them.
This type of technology is also completely carbon-free and doesn't produce long-living radioactive waste.
It also only consumes water, a plentiful resource, making it very cost-effective.
The only issues are engineering and technological, as we haven't yet developed the right technology that creates these extreme conditions such as pressure and temperature required efficiently.
This tech is getting closer by the day, and when it is put into practice, global warming will slow to a halt.
Overall, nuclear energy is probably the safest form of power generation.